Oh hey, welcome back to the DuckHill workshop. My name is Ben, and today is an absolutely momentous day. You may notice it's still a mess in here. That's not in question, but there is something missing. It's the cabinet and the desktop. We moved them into my mom's office today, and you'll see the picture here. That's awesome. I'm stoked, but there's still a lot of work that has to get finished. Obviously, we don't have any of the drawers or the pull-out writing desk surface, and we need to finish the lattice support piece that goes between the top and the filing cabinet. Some things that I'm happy to find out that I was a little unsure of are simply, I didn't know how much support that desktop was gonna need. I didn't know if it was going to sag in the middle at all, but it isn't at its current level of support, so that's really nice. And we got everything, we put all, like you saw, the computer and the lights and things back on. So what we're going to do right now is finish that lattice so that I can get that cut and installed. Because right now I'm planning to leave the desk in place and just build drawers and fit them as they come. So that also allows me to start in on some other projects in here. But, well, the first thing we're going to do here, we're going to build the lattice, then we're going to clean the ever-loving piss out of the shop, and then we'll start in on some of the other projects I've been talking about. So, let's get to that. But first, hydration. Whoa, alright. Seems like finally we were back. It is windier than Kansas outside. Thought I was going to get blown away there for a minute. But we are back. I'm trying to get back on a regular schedule. The transition to summer, just with family coming in and out, and my wife, she's a teacher, so wrapping up her school year, just having a bunch of stuff going on over the weekends. Like I'm going camping this weekend, and I shot a horse show. And you might know that my other passion from woodworking is photography, so I've photographed a really neat ranch horse versatility show last weekend. I've been trying to edit and do all this other crazy stuff, so just like life's been a little chaotic. I know I've been off my regular schedule because I haven't been ahead. I've been just like scraping by the skin of my teeth, and I guess I didn't make it the last couple weeks. So back on a regular schedule. And I hope you've enjoyed this quick video watching the desk get put in place. So it's going to live there for a little while. I have not finished drawers, and I'm going to leave it that way for a little bit. Her old desk, my mom's old desk, we just moved it to the other side of the office, so she still has access to it. We're kind of living with it as it is right now. The top stays in place. It's not moving very much. So we're going to do that. I will come back soon and get drawers done, but I want to get to some of these other projects, and then we'll do a video or two on how to make drawers and install them, and then do a wrap-up video for the desk build. But we're going to transition into some other stuff for a couple weeks. So anyways, stay tuned, and then you might notice hats have arrived. I'm so excited. Thank you, Chris. My buddy Chris Hinderman at SRI. Embroidery down in Texas. Did a really great job with these hats, took really good care of me. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Okay. I really appreciate your help and working with you. So if anybody needs stuff embroidered, reach out to Chris Hinderman. I'll do a link below. And so we're close. That means we're close to our goal of 100 subscribers. We're at 93. That means that many more. Or maybe for you guys it's that many more. Which way is this? 7 more people to join the channel, and we will give away a hat. We will give away 2 stickers. We'll have a nice little swag pack. And then you will all just have my unending, undying gratitude. And then I'll shut up about asking for subscribers until we're begging for like 10,000. So we're close to that. I'm excited. I appreciate that every single one of you has joined the channel so far. I hope you're enjoying the content. And yeah, I'm just excited. I want to know more about you, so please be sure to comment below. I'd love to start conversations and see what you want to know about, or if you're just enjoying watching whatever it is that I'm doing. And yeah, I think that's where I'm going to wrap up. I've got to go home. I'm going to jam this out. And then I'm going camping this weekend. I'll be on the North Shore. So we'll come back. We'll give you... Oh, one other update. So we've got cool projects coming down the line. We've got a quilt rack, quilt ladders. 2 quilt ladders are going to be built. And the floating shelves for Lauren and Dustin. And potentially, I've still got to quote it, but if I don't do a sign for Gray's Farms here in Faribault, they raise ducks and chickens. Pretty cool. For eggs, local eggs. If I don't do a sign for them, I will do one for myself. And we'll show you how to do that as well. So, and the other thing, the other big update, if I haven't told you already, I don't remember right now, Glenn and I are going up to North House Folk School in August. So that seems like forever away, but it's June now, so it's really, it's like the middle of June, so it's almost here. We're going to be building a 12 by 16 foot timber frame structure from one of the classes up at North House Folk School, and then hauling it home. Glenn and I are both going to be doing like not live streaming, but live updates. I don't know live updates, but regular updates in the 9 days that we're up there. So stay tuned for that. I think that'll be really fun. You'll probably get a lot of us just being like absolutely exhausted after 8 hours of moving and cutting timbers and whatever else we're doing. So, sweet. All right, cool. I hope you enjoyed this video, watching everything start to come together. It has been really, really fun taking everything out of the workshop, putting it in my mom's office and getting that sorted out. Anyways, have a good weekend. Until next time.